Hello people, I'm here in warm Mexico. So in this video I want to talk about my 2019 goals for my eBay dropshipping business. So basically I opened a new store, my third store on eBay UK. It's doing pretty well. So my goals for this year is I want to hit between 100 to 200k in sales per month at least on my eBay dropshipping business, and of course automate as much as possible and have everything running for me in the background and spend as much less time as possible to keep running this business, because I want to start also to have multiple income streams. And as I told you in my previous video, one of my videos about if eBay is banned, if eBay are like cutting off all the dropshippers. So I explained a bit that you need to have like unlinked accounts. Okay, unlinked accounts, that it means that you have accounts, eBay accounts with a different IP address, a different total, like different name, different PayPal, everything's different, and IP address, different IP address. So this way, I want to have more streams of income from eBay, because eBay is a good cash flow. It's like a cash flow machine, I think, and the more stores and the more unlinked stores you have, the more like eggs you have in the basket. So in different baskets. So this is really good for me. So I want to open also unlinked accounts. And also I'm interested about Amazon dropshipping. I saw a lot of videos, and I want also to take a course and start doing that on my own. But I want first to get to my goal from eBay UK, because there are a lot of dropshippers here, and there are a lot of ways to make money online these days, thankfully. But I think that if I can't master eBay, okay, so this is one way to do money online. So I think if I'm failing, or I will fail on eBay and will not find a way to get to my goals on eBay, and my goals are between 100 to 200k in sales every month, and this is what I want, because I know that it is possible. There are sellers that doing like even more than that. So I want to get to that level, and when I will be at that level, and I will see that I actually succeeded, I actually found a way and actually took something from zero and took it to where I want. For me, this is a success. And when I succeed in something, only then I can move forward and try more income streams. So basically, I think that those are my basic goals, and like to expand my eBay dropshipping to more unlinked accounts, to tap into Amazon dropshipping, and maybe later to Amazon FBA private label, because you know dropshipping is super good, and it is a beast cash flow machine. But it is, you see, dropshipping has a lot of problems because you don't own the items. The items are not yours. So I think FBA, like private label on Amazon, can be fantastic if you really know what to do branding, and use the tools to like drive sales to your own brand, and you can learn it. But I still want to, first of all, I want to master eBay UK. And also I want to launch a course in 2019 about eBay UK, my method. And of course, after I will get to the point that I want, maybe I will do like a course for beginners and a course for like more advanced people, because like beginners and advanced is something else. Okay, so for beginners, even the course that I took 3 years ago almost can be good, but we will see. So it is Amazon dropshipping, maybe Amazon FBA, to launch my course about dropshipping, to of course make more videos on my YouTube channel. I want to grow it as much as possible, because it is also like a vlog to my journey. Like, I moved to a different country, and to see my progress and how I grew over the years, and also to help you guys. And yeah, basically I think that's it. Those are my goals for 2019. So share in the comments what are your goals, for example, what you want to accomplish in 2019 that is related to make money online, eBay also. So leave the comments below. I would really appreciate that. So thank you for watching, guys. Again, if you're interested about dropshipping on eBay UK and eBay generally, please consider to subscribe to my channel. And if you liked that kind of video, give this video a thumbs up, and comments will be appreciated. So thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.